Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the speakers aren't working on your Anbernic RG556 console. So let's start with the speakers location. The speakers are located at the bottom edge of your hand grips. So there they are, both of them. And first thing that you should do is check if there is any dirt or debris or anything stuck in them. Use a flashlight to see better, and if you can see anything that could interrupt your or that could interfere with your sound quality, then of course then grab a soft gentle brush and carefully remove all the debris from the inside. Do not use any metallic tools. Do not put any metallic tools there. It can damage your device, and it's generally just dangerous. So yeah, try to use either a soft brush or maybe a toothpick, just to make sure not to break it inside. It will lead to even more problems. And if this doesn't help you, then let's check the software. Let's check the software. So let's unlock the console and let's go to the settings. Let's go to the sound settings. As in the sound settings, we have different sound types that you can change and adjust using these sliders right here. Maybe there's a sound volume for your current media type isn't enabled at all. Let me disable AirPlay mode. And generally just check if this all of these sliders are moved either to the right or to the very right, or to just not muted. Generally, also check your do not disturb mode here. Turn it on if it's turned off. Turn it off if it's turned on. Generally, just toggle it to check if to check if it isn't interfering with your sound. Now, also swipe down the control center and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off. And if it's not, turn it off, and then try to play some music, some media once again. Play a game once again, and check how your speakers work now, because maybe your sound simply is being rerouted to some other device, and this is the reason why you cannot hear the sound on your console. Also check your software version. To do so, go to the last page on your apps list, check this application, click check for updates, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and check if you are using the latest version. If you're not, then of course update your device to the latest one. Now, besides, if this doesn't help you, then you can also enter the safe mode. To do so, hold down the power button, then hold your finger down on the power off option and tap OK. And what we're doing it for is to check if no third-party applications or no background activities are interfering with the way that your microphone, that your speakers behave. And sometimes that happens. And so using the safe mode, we can disable all third-party activities or the background activities on this console. And once you are in a safe mode, check your sound quality. And if you still have problems, even if you don't have problems right now, then you should check all the recent apps that you installed on your device and check which one of them could have caused this issue. Besides, you can also go to settings, swipe down to system, and this is the solution for both. If you do hear your sound right now and you don't hear your speakers right now, either way, just go to system, go to reset options and reset app preferences, and tap reset apps. Confirm, wait until your apps are reset. This will not erase anything from your device. This will simply reset your apps preferences and settings. And then try using your speakers once again. And I hope that this resolves your issue. And now, in order to exit the safe mode, hold down the power button for a while, select restart, and wait until your device reboots normally. And if nothing of this helped you, then you should really reach out to the nearest repair center. Let them take care of your device, let them check your speakers, and yeah, at this point it can be a hardware issue, and that might be the problem. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.